hair gives me like these kind of vibes. I don't know what kind of vibes these are, but these are the vibes that it gives me. So for this look, I'll be mixing my new batch of hair with the old one. And the old one I've had for about 2 years. This hair is really, really great, as you can see, so it's lasted me a while. And the new one I just purchased a couple of months ago, so it's very fresh. I'm going to do this all the way through until I get to the other end. That's what I've been doing since the beginning, and then once I get there I do make a knot using 2 separate needles or pieces of thread. And we've reached the top. So now I'm just gonna finish sewing up the top here, and once I get to the other end I'm going to knot it again, and then I'm going to give it a good old shampoo and condition, and you'll see the results really soon. So of course I'm absolutely in love with this wig. Curly is always my favorite. This one is just giving me such 70s slash Diana Ross slash Pam Grier slash everything. I'm just loving this look. This is 4 bundles of hair, 2 16s, 2 18s. Ooh, Star Trek. That was too random. And then a full frontal 16-inch closure. As you saw earlier in the videos, the 2 18s are from a previous sew-in that I had, so they were looking a little dusty, and I woke them up with just some water and some conditioner, of course. You can't even tell in the end who's old, who's new. Like, who been here, who ain't. I can't tell which one of y'all is perping. This is how the hair looks just freshly washed. So I washed it and I put in some Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner that I'll link below. And it smells so good. So just imagine, not only does it look good, it's one of those things where when you lean in for a hug, it actually smells good. Thank you all so much for watching. I've got a lot of fun content coming up, so please be sure to subscribe so you can get those right into your inbox, because it's gonna be really cute, and I trust you don't want to miss it because I'm gonna be really cute. But yeah, if you love what you're seeing and you want to see more, definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you like this look, go ahead and let me know, and also hit the like button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.